Hey all, this is JM Fortier. I'm an organic vegetable farmer. I wrote The Market Gardener. Perhaps you've heard about it. It's a book about starting your own organic farm. You know, a lot of people are interested in small-scale agriculture, and I think that's important because, you know, the world needs more small farms. Saying that, you know, there's a lot of people that are wanting to do it or that have tried it and failed, and, you know, there's a lot of naysayers out there that would argue you can't make a good living farming. This is something that I care about, and in my mind, there's one skill set that you need to have if you're going to have any success with regards to being an organic small-scale grower. I'll be presenting a free online course. It's a 3-part course on this skill set that you need to have, and it's free. If you're interested, all the info is on the link below, and if anything, I'll see you there.